Hey guys, what's up? I have really bad news. I've just crashed my drone recently into a building. I want to show you guys what happened. So yeah, here's the location where I crashed my drone. Luckily there weren't too many people around. So right in front of us, I launched my drone. We're about 10 meters or 30 feet away from the building. So it took off vertically parallel to a building. It went up about 30 meters in elevation where the signage is, and then it started to drift off from the original location without my command. Everything went so fast I couldn't even react. So it hit against the wall and came crashing down. At that moment I was so shocked I didn't even comprehend what happened. Losing my $1,000 drone. Everything happened so fast. I collected all the pieces of the drone and then went back to my hotel and trying to figure out what happened. So yeah, here you can see my damaged drone that went berserk on me, basically flying against the wall for no reason. You can see the gimbal here is splashed into a million pieces, so I couldn't even find it. Some of the propellers broke and one of the wing got detached from the drone. But you can still fold the other ones, so they still work fine. The battery blew up. For some strange reason, it still works. So yeah, that's my broken Mavic Pro. I'm gonna go to the store and see what I can do, if I can get a new one. Hopefully they're not gonna penalize me. So here's the flight data when I crashed my drone. So I took off with like pretty somewhat weak GPS signals with an OPTI mode. I launched my drone about 14 meters into the air, and then I got a warning of weak GPS signals. When I was up 20 meters up in the air, it regained full GPS signals. That's when the drone started to drift off. At 30 meters, it started to record the home point for whatever reason. Another message popped up saying, obstacle avoided, revise flight route. At this point, it already crashed into the wall. Alright, here I am at DJI. So I went to DJI's store and then trying to figure out what happened. They told me not to film inside or outside, so here's what happened. Anyways, I have disputed this case in person and through email, but since I'm not knowledgeable about all the technicalities, I gave up after like 2 emails because it's been taken way too long. I mean, for them to respond, and I just want to get my drone back. Yeah, I went ahead and then made use of my warranty to claim back a new drone, and I paid about $90, which is not too bad. But anyways, here's my new drone. And finally, I'm going to show you guys the final moment of my Mavic Pro before it crashed into the wall. So here's what happened. Anyways, if you guys watched it and know what's going on or what went wrong, please let me know in the comment section. Yeah, thanks very much.